lalo na po sa mga kapwa natin OFW na nandito po ngayon. So, abla sa day, yan, i-share ko lang po yung which is napakagandang opportunity na maraming tao na natulungan na nabago po yung buhay nila is because this opportunity. So, this is the reason why I'm doing this because sa mga taong naniniwala po sa atin. So, ito po sila, kung makikita niyo po, ito yung mga taong naniniwala sa atin. And this still holding on, no? Na kumakapit. And yung iba po dito is kumikita na ng malaki. Yung iba, di pa naman kalakihan, but they are all still earning. So which is, isi-share ko po sa inyo na pagandang opportunity na nakita po namin dito, which is Live Good. So Live Good is a club membership program, which is maganda dito, naging part ka ng club members and same time, kumikita ka. So paano po yun? Sige, pag-uusapan natin. Yan. So, sabi nga nila, Live Good is the great disruption that shocked an industry. Which is totoo naman po. Kasi po, marami pong nagulat because of Live Good, marami pong hindi makapaniwala na totoo ba talaga yan? Which is totoo talaga kasi marami nga kumikita ngayon and still yung iba sinasabi nila na hindi daw tatagal yung company, hindi daw kikita. But ako na po nasasabi, marami na pong kumikita po dito. And this is the great disruption. Na yung iba, nagugulat na mayroon palang ganun. Yes, of course. And it's here. So, welcome to the membership that pays, which is ito po, Silly Good. And also, for the first time in almost 100 years, no, in network marketing or MLM industry, just experience a major disruption. No, marami pong nagulat, marami pong hindi makapaniwala, and until now, marami pong hindi makapaniwala na kumikita po sila dito. And they still continue earning. A disruption nobody saw coming. Hindi po nila nakita. And that is why Live Good is continue helping people and touching lives. Why does the timing matter? Because 95% people don't make money in network marketing. Tama naman po yun eh. No? Mostly po yung sumasali sa network marketing, hindi naman po kumikita. Hindi ko naman po sinasabing lahat kikita. Pero few people, 95% lang po, no? Yung hindi kumikita. And that is kumikita. Because people are, nagkasakit na sila, tinatamad na sila sa masyadong mataas na binabayaran nila every month. So because that is why the most people quit in network marketing. Kaya yung iba sinasara na yung pinto talaga pagkarinig nila ng network marketing because some people, they experience na talagang hindi naman kumikita. Pero yung reason naman, baka hindi naman nila ginawa. Di ba? Baka wala rin silang ginawa. So, tingnan po natin. So, dito sa Live Good is iba siya. No? So, why didn't want you to know it? Bakit? Alamin natin, no? Why yung mga tao, bakit hindi sila nag-success? Why sa mga industry, hindi pa rin sila, di ba? Nag-quit sila. So, it is not your fault, actually. Kung ikaw yung nanonood dito, why na hindi siya nag-workout, alamin natin. Yan, welcome to the revolution. The days of selling of overpriced products, just a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are finally over. Tapos na po yun. No? Kung sino lang po yung, kung baga, yung nasa taas, sino lang po yung kita. And sobrang mahal ng product. Promise. Overpriced? Yes. Tapos na po yun. No? According to Lauder Gasan. Yan. And what if what you want because you want to, not because you have to. Ibig sabihin, wala pong auto ship. Hindi po tayo prepersadong mag-order. Hindi po tayong pinipilit na mag-order dito sa Live. Hindi po tayo pinipersa na magbabayad ng malaking membership para lang tumaas yung rank. At hindi po tayo kailangan dito pinipersa na kailangan mo bumili monthly ng products. We have a freedom here in Live. No? And what if you never had to chase your people at the end of every month to place an order? Hindi mo na kailangan pagsabihan, hindi mo na kailangan pilitin yung kasamahan mo dito na mag-order ng product. No? Hindi mo na sila kailangan persahin pa. Oy, ganito, tataasan mo, ganito, kailangan tumaas yung rank. And hindi na kailangan, what if hindi na kailangan mag-invest pa sila ng malaki dito? Yan, silid ko. What if you never had to fill your pantry with experienced products ever again? So, hindi mo na kailangang ma-experience pa ulit na ma-expired ka ng products na sobrang dami. Kaya yung iba hindi alam kung paano gawin. Yung iba, naabutan talaga ng expired. Kaya yung iba, sorry to tell, yung iba binabagsak presyo na lang para lang kahit kalahati mabalik yung puhunan nila. So dito sa Live Good, what if wala na po? What if tanggalin na po yun? Because we have a freedom kung kailan po tayo mag-order ng products. Hindi po tayo pinapresa. Yun. What if people just didn't quit? What if wala nang mag-quit? Wala nang ano, is because kumikita lahat. Sa tingin mo ba, pag kumikita ka, mag-quit ka pa? Siyempre, hindi, di ba? And what if it was just easier? What if all of that was possible? Well, it's possible now. Yes, posible. Kasi yung dati nahihirapan ka, na sa tingin mo imposible, but it's a Live Good is possible na ngayon. Posible na siya nakukuha mo. Yung dati na akala mo na sobrang hirap, nahihirapan ka, imposible nakikita ka ng malaki, but dito sa Live Good is possible. Yan. And introducing Live Good, the first to market membership club in network marketing, a subscription model. No? The company that decide to fix the broken network marketing model. So the membership that pays. Saan ka nakakita? Member ka, club member ka, kumikita ka pa. Di ba nai-enjoy mo yung pagka-member mo, club member. This is the only company which is Live Good na mga club members is binabayaran na kumikita. How? Yan, malalaman natin mamaya yan. Yan, because of this person behind are responsible for this with the destruction. No? Because of these poor people, apat po mga tao, sila po yung behind this Live Good. Our CEO, Dean Glenski, the founder of Live Good. More and more years experience doing Live Good business. And also our Director of Network Marketing, co-founder, Elder Gazan, and the Product of Education and Development formulators, Dr. Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin, which is napakaganda. No? So behind of this company. And also, membership save big with our membership model. Example, ito yung mga company na malalaki na membership that don't pay. Hindi po binabayaran, pero member tayo, like YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, Gasco. Marami pa po. Naging member ka, pero hindi ka naman binabayaran. Unlike sa Live Good, the membership that pays is 1,100,000 members are still growing because bakit? Kumikita sila eh. Tuloy-tuloy. Because of $9.95 per month na binabayaran nila as a subscription member and or $99.95 per year. So because of that, kumikita po sila. How? Yan, mamaya. Over 20 life-changing products, highest quality product dito sa Live Good. And this is not an ordinary product. Why? Because purest and natural ingredients po yung ginagamit dito with the most pristine location on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities and also made in the US. And also certified by GMP and USDA. Also lab tested for purity and potency. And ang kagandahan pa dito guys, it is money back guarantee 100%. 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Pag ayaw mo yung product, pag hindi mo nagustuhan, ginamit mo siya, pwede mong ibalik yung bottle with no question at all. Babalik po yung binayad nyo. Money back guarantee, which is napakaganda, di ba? So, ito po yung mga products yung kaka-launch lang noong 2023. So, how do I order products? So, simple lang, order as a consumer o member. Consumers pay retail low prices and members pay lower prices. How? How to become a Live Good member? First is register with your sponsor name. Kung sino po yung nagbigay sa'yo ng link nun dyan, nag-share sa'yo, Yan, balikan mo yung tao na yan, click mo yan, mag-register ka doon, and pay the $9.95 per month. If you want to feed annually, makaka-discount ka pa. Buy products with a wholesale price or member price. So, dito na po tayo. How would you like to earn up to 2,000 or more per month? Yan. So, how to become an affiliate? This is now. Buy a 12-month membership and get 2 months free, which is 139.95 the total membership. Pag hindi kaya, yung 12 months, mayroon naman po tayong monthly, which is just pay $40 as a one-time affiliate fee and plus first month of $9.95 for a total of $49.95 in total to get started. Kung hindi po kaya yung 12 months, pwede po kayong monthly. Yan, just pay $9.95 every month. So paano? How to become affiliate members with Dinepets? Una-una, pag naging member po kayo dito, you have the access to membership club. Yan. And digital marketing products. Yan, marami po yung mga products natin na digital. May auto-ship, auto-ship. And nandun na po lahat yung products mo. Mayroon na pong website. And ang maganda dito, you can participate in the compensation plan, which is kikita ka pa dito. So you can pay by direct deposit. Connect with your sponsor kung sino po nag-share sa inyo, patulong kayo. Or if you want, you can pay BitPay or credit card or debit card. So just go for a person na nag-share sa inyo ng link na to. So pupunta po tayo sa 8 ways to earn. Paano po tayo kikita dito? Una is, mayroon po tayong weekly fast start. Paano po kikita sa weekly fast start? Ganito po yun. Our compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and force metrics. Dito, sa weekly natin na compensation plan, babayaran ka po dito ng infinite wide ng $25 bonus from all new directs to join. Kung sino po yung nagbayad ng $49.95. Every joined person who pay $49.95, you have a bonus of $25. Kung sino po yung nagbabayad. Example, you have a friend. Sumali po siya dito. Nagbayad po siya ng $49.95 para ma-access po yung silid good and magawa rin po yung business. So, ikaw mismo na nag-refer, mayroon kang $25. Same. If mayroon kang 4, so siyempre 4 na, $25. If mayroon kang 10 na na-invite, na na-share nito, so mayroon kang 10 na $25. So that is infinite, which is kikita ka po dito. No? Na malaki as long as masipag ka po dito. So, every week po ito, babayaran ka. So, cut off is every Thursday. On the Friday, sa Philippine time, makukuha mo na po yung commission nyo po dito. So, take note, this is an infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, infinite wide, ikaw po yung may gusto kung ilan po yung gusto nyo ipasok or i-member. And 10 level dips. Paano naman po yung 10 level dips? Ito po yon. So, sa lahat po na nag-join dito sa inyo, sa first level mo, yung unang napasali mo, babayaran ka nilibod ng $25. Every person who join. And sa second po, yung na-invite nyo, mayroon din siyang pasali. So, mayroon ka doong 5% o $5. I mean, $5. Sa sumali, sa napasali mo, mayroon kang $5 if you are a bronze. Ito naman, pag wala ka pang rank, sa first level mo is $25. If na-promote ka, may sumaling dalawa, automatic mayroon kang $5 doon sa napasali mo. And if you are a silver, tumaas yung rank mo, sa mga nag-join sa kanila, mayroon kang $250 per person na binabayaran up to 10 levels. Depende po yung sa rank. So makikita nyo po, 10 level dips. Gano'n po kalaki nito? Parang ganito. Pag-usapan natin. Yung weekly fast start sample computation. Ganito po. Una, sa first level mo, mayroon ka napasaling 5 tao. Which is, nagbayad po sila ng $49.95. Monthly. Yan po yun. So, monthly, yan yung po nag-join sila. Then, tuloy-tuloy na po yung ginawa po nila, mayroon ka doon commission na 50%, which is per affiliate, per person na nag-join, bawat tao, babayaran ka ng libod ng $25. So, $25, multiply mo siya sa 5, is mayroon kang kita na $125. What if yung 5 mo na napasali, kumuha din siya ng tigli 5, which is 25 na yon na tao. Pero, hindi mo na yun invite. Invite na yun ng in-invite mo. Sumali sila, nagbayad sila ng $49.95, ikaw mismo na tinulungan mo sila, mayroon ka doon 10% sa baba ng pinasali mo. Which is 10%, mayroon kang commission doon, bawat tao na sumali doon sa baba ng invite mo na $5. So $5 times 25, may kita ka pa rin na $25. Tuloy natin. On the level 3, ito yung 25 na tao, hindi mo na to kilala. Possible. Kasi invite na to ng invite mo. Yung invite mo, yung invite nila, nag-invite din, kumuha din ng tig-5. So ngayon, nag-125 na sila katao. Nagbayad sila, nag-registered sila, ikaw mismo, mayroon kang 5% doon sa baba nila. So which is yung 5%, babayaran ka, niligod ng $2.50 bawat tao na sumali doon sa baba nila. Which is yung 2.50, multiply mo siya sa 125, which is may kita ka na $312.50 every week. Ulitin ko po, every week. Cut off po ng Thursday, Friday nyo po ito makukuha dito sa Philippine Time. Tuloy po natin. Yung 125 mo, nagkukuha ng tig-5. So, ika-quart level mo na yon. So, naging 625 na yung katao sa baba mo. Nag-join sila, ikaw mismo, you still have a 5% from them. So, 5%, which is babayaran ka, ligod ng $2.50, multiply mo siya sa 625, which is may kita ka na $1,562.50. Every week po yun. What if dumami? Yung 625 nagiging 3,125 na katao. Nag-join. Mayroon kang 3% doon sa bawat tao. Which is babayaran ka niligod ng $1.50. Multiply by $1.50 in 3,125 katao, mayroon kang kita ng 4,687.50 weekly. Every week. What if hindi lang po yun? Yung tao mo umabot ng 9,765,625 after year. After 1 year. Possible? Yes, possible. Nag-join? Yes, sumali sila. Hindi mo na yung kakilala. Kasi kakilala na mo. Magkano yung kikitain mo dito? $882,812.50. I-multiply mo yan sa 56 in peso. How much yung kikitain? Too good to be true? Actually, mayroon na kumikita at marami na po kumikita dito. Weekly. Yan po yung, isa pa lang po yan sa kitaan. Weekly. Paano pa yung monthly? Mayroon pa tayong monthly. Yan. Sa monthly natin, sa matrix bonus, ganito po yan. Bawat tao na sumali sa iyo, babayaran ka ni Libgon ng 0.25. Tinatawag po namin ito na retirement company. Kasi lahat po ng member, mayroon po siyang tinatawag na 2x15 matrix. Ito po yung sinasabi na in your organization, buong organization, may bawat tao doon. Pag napuno yun, babayaran ka ni Libgon ng 0.25 cents dollar bawat tao. Kahit hindi pa napuno, babayaran ka ni Libgon. This is a matrix commission which is $0.25 from each active members na nagbabayad ng subscription fee na $9.95. Kasi mayroon tayong binabayaran dito monthly na $9.95. Pinakurot pa tayo ni Libgon, which is yung sa baba mo ng mga tao na nagbabayad ng $9.95, mayroon kang nakita na 0.25 cents dollars. Which is, magkano yun? Ilagay natin. From your first level up to 12 level, ilang tao kaya yun? Maximum na kikitain mo doon is 2,047.50. Paano? Parang ganito yan. Ganito yan. On your first month, yung sumali sa'yo, siyempre dalawa lang, hindi tatlo ha. Dalawa lang talaga. Kasi dalawa lang naman talaga eh. So may kita ka doon ng 0.25 cents, which is dalawa is 0.50. On the second month, yung dalawa mo nagiging 4 kasi sumali din yung mga kaibigan nila. Meron ka doon kita ng $1. Maliit lang, di ba? On the third month, yung 8 mo naging, yung 4 mo naging 8, may $2 ka na doon. Ito yung pinag-usapan natin, metrics. Ito yung monthly na kitaan pa. What if yung 8 mo naging 16, meron kang $4. Yung 16 mo naging 32, meron kang $8. Yung 62 mo, yung 32 mo naging 64, meron kang $16. Yung 64 mo naging 128, mayroon kang $32. Yung 128 mo naging 256 na katao, mayroon kang $64. Yung 512, yung 256 mo naging 512 na katao sa baba mo, hindi mo nakakilala, mayroon kang $128. And yung 512 mo nag 1,024 na sila, mayroon kang $256. And after 1 year o 12 months, magkano kikitain mo dito sa matrix? 1,024. 1,024. Yan. Or, magkano sa piso? 113,000. Additional income mo po yan. Hindi mo na yan tinatrabaho. Hindi mo na yan ginawa. Sa baba mo na po yan yung mga tao. Maganda ba o maganda? Tuloy po natin. Sa wealthy money naman, sa matching bonus, dito, kikita ka dito. Sa bawat tao, production ng tao mo sa baba, kikita ka dito ng 50% sa bawat production nila. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga direct mo, yung mga first direct mo na pinasali mo, lahat ng production po nila, kalahati doon, babayaran ka pa ni Lingkod. At hindi po kukunin sa kanila, si Lingkod yung magbabayad. Example, yung isang tao mo, yung isang member mo, nag-production po siya ng 500 under sa organization niya. Lahat, kumita po siya, kumbaga, kumita po siya doon ng 500. 50% of that sa production niya is babayaran ka ni Lingkod, which is 250. Babayaran ka pa ni Lingkod. What if yung isa mo, yung production niya after 1 month ng 400. Babayaran ka ni Lingkod ng 200, 50% of that. What if yung isang tao mo na production ng 300? Half of 300 is 150. Babayaran ka ni Lingkod ng 150. What if yung isang tao mo na production ng 600? Half of that is 300. Babayaran ka ni Lingkod ng 300. That is a matching bonus. Yung sa iba yung matching bonus talagang pahirapan. Dito talaga production ng mga kasamahan mo dito sa baba. Babayaran ka ni Lingkod. Yan. Also, we have a retail commission. 10 level dips. Sa first level mo, pag malakas magbenta, whatever that, na ano doon, 50% na pa doon. So, the rest will follow. So, meron tayong influencer bonus. Meron tayo. So, sobrang ganda. Ako na po nagsabi sa'yo, why not research this lead good opportunity na ikaw mismo, studyan mo, aralin mo kung paano. And that is the reason why I joined LeadGood, because this is just an officially launched globally